Yo, what is up guys? So you would have seen the video of my new to me Yamaha R3. The purpose of this video is to show you guys the process of getting it roadworthy so that I can ride it. Now I got a good deal on it, but it does mean that there are a few things to do. Overall it is gonna be, you know, a few $100, especially considering I have to get the roadworthy, which also costs a couple of $100, and while there they might pick up some extra things I haven't. But yeah, let's get to work. I'm excited. And that's pretty much it. We've done the rear rotor, the rear pads, we've done the front pads, we've cleaned and lubed the chain. I've just got to bed the brake pads and the rotor in. Ideally I would have liked to have done a fluid flush too, but it's getting a bit late. I think she's ready for the inspection tomorrow. There's a broken foot peg that hopefully they can take care of, and we'll see if they find anything else. With that being said, that was fun. Can't wait to get this thing roadworthy and ride it properly, make some motor vlogs with it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one.
say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.